Today we're going to paint this atmospheric beach scene with characters and distant waves. So I'm starting with wet paper, mixture of yellow ochre into the sky, not completely covering it, adding in some red and Payne's grey just for the cloud layer. Next stage, I'm adding Payne's grey for the distant waves, leaving just white spaces for the crest of the waves. At this point, very vague and misty. Moving on to the beach, so yellow ochre, and then adding in, with a thin brush, adding in lines of the shadows on the beach. Notice the lines in the foreground are wider. As they get further and further away, they get tighter, and the lines of perspective become straighter the further they get into the distance. Adding a little bit more definition into the waves. Again, the paper's still quite wet, so this will dry lighter. And then a little bit more colour into the sky, just to give it a bit more atmosphere. Onto the character. This is just a fairly light mixture of Payne's grey. I'm leaving space for the hands and feet and for the hair. The shadow here is just a darker mixture, a darker colour of the beach. So it's just a light shade of brown. Being careful to match the general outline of the character. The shape broken up with the highlights on the beach. Same treatment with the dog, basically just in silhouette, loose outline of the shadow and reflection. Just some vague details for hands and hair. And I'm now using a dry brush to just lift out some highlights. And that's the final piece. Atmospheric beach scene with distant waves. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe or leave a comment.